basically grabbing cores of the soil so that we can test them and see like the mineral content and just like the chemical makeup of the soil and see why some of the plants are weaker in some areas compared to other areas.
Yeah, I really enjoy being outside the classroom today and putting the stuff that we've been learning into practice and seeing how the different soil healths affect the plant health.
It's nice to have hands-on experience and get away from the desk a little bit.
It's kind of cool being able to head out in the field and, do a lab that's not literally in a lab room. And measure soil with real soil being used for actual agricultural use. It feels practical. We're actually getting data we can use to help someone.
He's got gallows right up on top of the hill here. They're all healthy. And you can look at them and you can just see they're completely healthy from the spectrums. But when a tree isn't healthy, it will be different than all the other trees around it.
Drew would come to my office with these beautiful pictures that the drones took showing differences in basically how green the plants are. And you could see progression from plants that looked relatively healthy at the start of the season to worse and worse as it went on. And that raises all kinds of questions, right? This could be disease, this could be problems of nutrition, biological agents. So we came down to take a look. Barron is a very engaging farmer. He's aware of the complexity of the ecosystems he's managing. And now we're here trying to help him answer one of his questions related to pH in the soils and how that might be affecting the success of his blueberry plants.